Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's open this up and see who it's from. Whoop. Get scissors out of the way, Laura. Yep, because we get in trouble all the time. So we have two kits. So let's just get started. This is from ColorfulDIY, and I picked out a colorful pattern here. Let me see here, or kit, I should say, sorry. I thought this was just different. And when you see this on the website, it looks like it's metal. So, yeah. I just thought it was beautiful. It's really cool and it's really different. I admire people that know how to work with metal. Yeah, I think it's fascinating. It's not something I'm going to pick up though, because yeah, I got no clue on how to do things with metal. Well, it comes with a full page instruction sheet that, yeah, I thought it was upside down. Same one that's all right, I am back. Let's go on. I did have to take a phone call. Sorry about that. It does come with a full-page instruction sheet, so that's always good for people that have never done this before and what to do before and after and how to pick your threads. Now, it does have a paper pattern. Paper pattern will, the symbols on both the canvas and the paper pattern will match. It does show you the colors of the threads. And it looks like we have no 310 black. We have 210, but no 310. We have 550 purple. And no 823. We do have some 939 for the dark. And we have 3865. But very nice pattern. It looks like it's got some nice big areas. And it looks like most of the confetti is kind of confined to the outside of the owl. So that's pretty cool. Back you out just a bit. There you go. So you can see what's going on. But this would have to definitely be blown up to be used for any amount of time. Let's take a look at the threads. It didn't come with a kit, a little tool kit or anything. And we have a skein of 939. Yep, 939 for the background. And it is, oh dear, how big is this? Hang on, there'll be a delay. 36 by 46, so it's not too terribly big, but lots of beautiful purples and blues, fuchsia, all different shades, some light colors, some teal, just beautiful, beautiful colors. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. So let's put this away. Roll that up, and it does come with 2 needles though. This canvas is not serged all the way around. Nice big canvas, very well printed, very nice. But like you can see, it's not very wide, so that's a good thing. Now down here at the bottom, it does have the product number and how big it is, 36 by 46. I'm losing my voice. Sorry about that. Let's see if I can get it unrolled here. 46, a little bit over. And 36, right on the money. The actual picture size is, man, 11.5, or a little tiny bit over, by 16, pretty close to 16, or 40.5. Oh, actual, sorry, is 15 3/4 or 40 centimeters, 15 by 11.5, so just about 12. So it's not too big, but you know, hey, I kind of like those every once in a while, where it's not huge and ginormous, but this is a very big owl, as you can see. Lots of dark colors, and there are some brights, so it'll be different to see how this all comes together, if you will. There's a lot of that 17, which is 939, and I guess the rest of the colors are going to be accent colors, but you could see what I meant by confetti. The confetti seems to be limited to the outside. There's little bitty bits, you know, inside, but not too bad. And that kit was $6.99. Let's take a look at the next one. I'm going to have to take this out. Hang on. It's like overkill here. They put it in a plastic bag, and it comes in its own plastic bag. Now I still can't figure out how to get it out. Okay. I don't know. We'll find out here. Never had a kit from this company before. Let me get it. Like I said, here's a plastic bag. It's kind of made like the, oh, what is it? Romantic? No, what is that one company? You know what I'm talking about. Is it Romantic Story? I want to say. But look at that picture. Is that not stunning? Oh my goodness. This is 50 by 40, and it was $12.99. And it's all, I believe, in Russian. If I'm wrong, please forgive me. It could be something else, but there's no, it doesn't say a country or anything. And, oh dear. No. And it's a 14 count. Oh, and it's counted. Oh, heaven help us. What was I thinking? So, it has an instruction booklet. Oh my goodness. All like one great big giant page and fold in half, and then you have flip it. And let's see how many. It says 50 by 40, it's 242 by 187. And it looks like straight cross stitch. There are 47 colors. It does not give you the DMC numbers. We'll see what's on the cards here in a minute. Okay. Looks like 310 black. 310 black is always within the first 5 numbers, I swear. Never fails. So, yeah, this is going to be a piece of work. I had no idea this was counted. I'm going to have to go back and look. Let's take a look at the colors. Don't hurt yourself, people. There's one needle. One single needle. Holy cow. Yeah, there's no DMC numbers on this at all. You have 2 thread cards. You just have the number that's going to correspond with this and this key. I'm not impressed, but it might turn out better than it looks. But yeah, beautiful colors though. Look at all those greens. There's a wad of colors on this, and they're all folded in half, so I'd have to go back and unfold them because, you know, I can't stand that. It drives me nuts. Okay. Hang on, let me give it a shake. But some beautiful, vivid colors. Now this does have a saving grace, so I'll save that for a minute. But just beautiful, beautiful colors. Just absolutely stunning colors. Oh, but no DMC numbers. Not whatsoever. So I was talking about that saving grace. This has, I don't know what this is called. Pre-gridded fabric. So, yeah, that's different. So at least there's a grid there, but dang. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this would be one I'd do in half cross stitches, I think. Let me look at something. I just want to see something. It's only cross stitch, so there is no back stitching whatsoever. If you could just figure out where in the heck to start. Holy moly. I don't know that it... I guess it starts at the top of the picture is what I'm trying to... I am not a happy camper here. Where... Oh. It's like, where is the picture of the thing? So yeah, it starts at this top and works its way up and down this way. Yeah, beautiful, gorgeous picture, but I can't believe it's in number 1 14 count. That would have been almost doable. But yeah. And it doesn't give the name of the country that this is made in. So yeah, I'm not happy. So I'll see. I don't know if I counted or not. Let's just measure the canvas. It is 51.5, and the actual picture is a 50 by 40. So it gives you about a ½ inch on either side. I don't think that you're supposed to start stitching in the absolute corner. You know, that would not make sense to me. I don't know. And this is 40.5 that way, so you got about a ½ centimeter. Yeah. You know, I mean, you could take the pattern, you could take the colors, and you could get your own material and do it however you wanted to. At least it's charted, so I'm not happy. Because that's just too... My mind's blown. So we have lots of extra threads for something else, right? So that is all that I got from ColorfulDIY. We had one 14 count and one 11 count. I did like the owl, though. I thought that was pretty cool. Now, if it just turns out as good as the picture, we'll have it made. Now, ColorfulDIY has free shipping on orders over $69. If they have any specials, I'll put that in the description box below. They have diamond painting and cross stitch, and they have tools and crafts for all that. They also have embroidery, and they usually have a large selection of things, you know, that they offer. So yeah, check them out. Thank you, ColorfulDIY, for sending me these kits. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless.